Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the TikTok trending video about the sports car, and here we will use the CapCut to do the video editing. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the video. Well guys, actually the video that I will make will be like this. How to create that, so you can start to prepare the picture and also the video first. And for example, I will add more picture into this section like this, and also the video, and click add. And after that I will start to adjust the speed of this video first. You can click speed and click curve and click custom and click edit. So the motion will be the slowest from the start or the beginning of this video, and after that the speed will raise at the end of this video. So I will start to raise the speed, and so the look will be like this. And I will slightly reduce the speed over again, and I will add more speed into this section. And I will apply to it. So this will be the look. And after that I will go to this picture and I will put it into the overlay like this, and I will move it slightly to the between of this clip 1 and clip 2. And after that I will select this picture first and also adjust the zoom. Sorry, I will remove the background first, and I will click custom removal and auto remove like this. And don't worry, I will slightly zoom it first until it's not visible over here. And I also will adjust the opacity. I will put it into the 0 first like this, and after that I will put the keyframe, and after that into this section I will add the keyframe, and after that I will adjust the opacity to become 100, and I will also zoom out the picture until it is fit like this, and I will also reduce the duration. So the transition will be like that, and after that you can continue to click or select the rest of the effect. For example, for this open up or the opening, I will choose the open up effect. You can find it into the intro and outro, and you can simply click this open up. And also for the entire duration of this video I will put two effects, for example vignette and also sharpen edges. And after that the another effect will be the closing. For example, you can click video effect. And for example, I will choose the TV off. And after that, I will put it into the last of the second of this video. And I will also adjust the length of this effect. So the result, for example, simply would be like this because I keep it more comfortable to watch and also make it smooth because the feel of the audience also important to you. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and you can also do more editing by clicking this plus and add more picture or video to do the more experiments. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.